If you want to open a document from OneDrive in Microsoft Word 2016, this quick tutorial will walk you through the full process step by step. This is a simple but really useful skill, especially if your files are stored in the cloud and you want to access them directly in Word without downloading and searching through folders manually. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to get to your OneDrive files and open the document you need in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft Word 2016 on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, start menu, or taskbar, whichever is easiest for you. Once Word launches, look to the top left corner of the screen and click File. This opens the main Backstage menu where you can manage documents, open files, and access different locations. From there, click Open. This takes you to the file opening options inside Word. Next, select OneDrive from the available locations. OneDrive is the cloud storage connected to your Microsoft account, and this is where your online documents are stored. If Word asks you to sign in, enter your Microsoft account details and complete the sign-in process. This step is important because Word needs permission to access your OneDrive files. After you're signed in, browse to the folder that contains the document you want to open. If you have a lot of files saved in OneDrive, take your time and look for the right folder so you don't accidentally open the wrong document. Once you find the document, click the document name to highlight it. Then, click Open. Word 2016 will now load the file directly from OneDrive and open it for editing. Depending on the size of the document and your internet connection, it may take a few seconds to load, but once it appears, you'll be able to view, edit, and save your changes normally. And that's it. Your OneDrive document is now open in Microsoft Word 2016. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.